Hey nail enthusiasts, I have something exciting to show you today. There's a new product on the market called the Cheat Sheets. It's by Ciate London, and basically what they are is 4 sheets of perfect nail art. All you need is a tweezer and a top coat. I pre-painted my nails, one pink, one beige. This is going to be the longest part of your manicure. Waiting for this to dry a little bit before you start putting the stickers on. The actual art to make your manicure super special is going to take you 5 minutes or less. It's amazing. Let me quickly show you what these are. This one is called Abstract Illustrations. Little faces. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, so cute. So that's one of the ones I want to use today because I love that one. Evil Eyes. Also super exciting. I know that's a big trend going on right now. Neon Geometric Lines, which say goodbye to your striper brush or fighting to get a straight line on your nail. You can just take a tweezer, peel it off, set it down, top coat it, and walk away. And the last one is Pastel Leopard Spots. So I'm going to hyperlapse, show you how easy it is, and then I'll tell you exactly how long it really took me, and you guys can try this at home. I hope to see so many people trying this at home. You guys have to send me links. Talk about a simple, easy manicure that looks like someone spent time actually doing this. I spent 5 minutes using a tweezer and picking these up and setting them down on my nails. Ciate London, thank you so much for this fun nail art design, and I hope everyone enjoyed it.